Let's take a closer look at the struggling Ford Mustang GT3 in DTM and discover what the issues are. Since DTM changed from Class 1 prototypes to GT3 cars in 2021, it's been one of the most competitive GT3 fields. They even introduced an own homologation which can overrule the FIA homologation of GT3 cars. The experienced Haupt Racing team, HRT, started using the new Ford Mustang GT3 in DTM. Previously, they used Mercedes cars and noted a list of differences. The Mustang is a bigger car with large wheelbase and was more than 1 second off the pace in pre-season testing. They could find lap time in the setup of the car, but were still more than half a second off the pace. In contrast to the Mercedes with low tire degradation, the Mustang is eating up its tires. They are very quickly on temperature and overheat just as quick. So HRT was struggling in qualifying and was always at the back of the grid. The Mustang performed better in races, but the high tire deck was the result of too much weight. While the DTM grid has a more or less working BOP, the new Mustang arrived with a weight of 1,315 kg, which is a lot heavier than the competition. In order to equalize all cars, there were two options. Either every competitor car needs to be heavier or the Mustang needs to be lighter. But if you increase the weight of competitor cars, also their tire deck and other factors are changing. So the officials decided to use the specific DTM homologation to allow the Mustang to drive without air conditioning system, which saves 15 kg. So at least the Mustang can get to 1,300 kg. The competitor cars can stay as they are, but drivers in the Mustang have to deal with higher temperatures now. Because the Mustang isn't designed to race without AC system, HRT needed to retrofit little fans to make sure that there is some kind of airflow for the driver. Just ask David Schumacher, whose AC system in his Mustang broke at the beginning of the 24-hour race at the Nürburgring. A larger restrictor also wouldn't help the Mustang much, because on some tracks the straights are simply too short. And according to the team, the brakes also have potential for improvement. So, although the fans love the Mustang for its look and sound, the new Mustang GT3 is a huge car, and HRT is struggling to be competitive with it in the tight DTM field. The current performance and the fact that it's now running without AC system might also not be good advertisement for other teams and drivers. I hope you liked this little insight and check out my other videos for more.